Perfect. Finally, it's landed. It's been non-stop distress calling all, was it a couple of weeks, last couple of days now?
Yeah, last couple of days.
It's finally landed. The weather hasn't,
No, the wind.
wouldn't have helped it.
I hope for you.
It's the first time actually all three have come together.
Will it be alright with tuna?
What's it got in it? Just tuna?
Just tuna.
Oh, look, he's gone. I think he's never seen tuna before.
I hope it's alright. I think it's just tuna.
Oh, if it's nice, it'd be fine, Mum.
It's hungry.
That's why I'm leaving it.